Hi, Blake with Boulevard Home. Today we're going to talk about dryers and dryer vents. And should I clean my dryer vents? When should I clean my dryer vents? How do I check my dryer vents? Dryer vents are the cause of 1/3, big number, of house fires in your home. You say, well gosh, how's that? Well, dryers are only as good as they can breathe. Now a dryer, if you look at a dryer is basically just a pump. It pumps that heat in and it takes that wet, moist air and pumps it to the outside. If you have something that restricts it, we've talked in other videos, you have something restricting that airflow, the air has to go somewhere. So the air will go into the dryer itself because it can't go out the vent because it's nice and clogged. We'll talk about that in a second. So what it does, it blows that lint into the dryer itself, and all that lint gets blown by the dryer seals and gets into the bottom of the dryer. When it gets in the bottom of the dryer, that's where all your heat sources are. That catches on fire, and then that is what goes up your venting to the outside of your home. Venting is really important to be clean. Now, generally, the lint filters are only about 80 to 85% efficient. And the reason for that is because if they were 100% efficient, it would stop the airflow like we talked about just a second ago. So it's only about that percentage so the air can get through and get out to the outside of your home. Well, you get some of these ductworks that people haven't cleaned forever, and they are just coated with lint. You would just be appalled at how much lint I see. But the lint gets up inside there and it restricts the airflow. Well, when that starts restricting airflow, it takes 2 and 3 times to dry stuff. You're wondering why it takes forever to dry. That's because it can't breathe. That's why the manufacturers recommend every 7 years you have somebody come out and have your dryer vents checked, or check them yourself. If yours is a really short run that just goes to the outside of the home, easy to check. You pull the dryer out, look to the outside, make sure that your vent louvers are moving up and down correctly, and run a brush or reach in there, sweep it out, get all that lint and stuff out of there. Now you have a lot of homes where we're from here in Utah that a lot of the times they're vented up on the roof. So basically it's a pipe that goes up onto the roof of the house. Well, those aren't very easy to check yourself. The best thing to do is to hire somebody that does ductwork cleaning, clean that duct out to make sure that it's nice and clean so you have great airflow for the dryer. Now, other things that can affect the lint buildup in there is how good your connecting vent is from your dryer to the wall. If that vent is smashed, if it's kinked, if it's got too sharp of bends, you're cutting off your airflow. Again, dryer fires. So it's very important that you do clean your lint filter every time you use it. We don't want dryer fires in your home. I have seen them many times. I've seen some disastrous results from it, from destroying the inside of the dryer, basically burning all the wiring. I've seen some where it's actually burned up the wall and they've had to have the fire department come there, and I'm coming out after. They're asking me why did the fire cause? Well, A, you didn't clean your lint filter every time you used it. B, your vent was kinked from there to the wall, and C, you didn't clean the venting out to the outside of your home. It's very important to do that. It's very easy to do, so please check that. That will help with your dryer as far as how long it lasts, as far as the heating element, and you're going to save a lot of time by not having to re-dry things over and over and over again because your ductwork is extremely dirty. So do those things. That will help. It'll be better for you, it'll be better for the dryer. I hope this video was informative. I hope you got some good information out of it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you again real soon. Well, we have lots of other videos for you to watch, so you know, please like and subscribe, and you can check out all these other videos, and we'll find out lots of interesting stuff you may or may not want to know, but at least you'll have that information, and information is power. So thanks for watching.